it has. Let's see here. Awesome. Hey guys, how are you doing? Hope all is going well. I thought I would give you guys kind of a little pre-look or mini trailer of the course so that when you guys do walk into the course, you kind of know what's going on because I'm sure there's fear. And this is an in-person class. It won't be online. So again, we're just kind of using this for today just to kind of give you guys an idea of how these online courses work. So this is for Marketing 1120, section 012. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to see Blackboard as it sits. Now, the way you're going to connect to Blackboard is you're going to click on courses. You're going to go, you can go to courses I've taken, probably not courses that I teach. And you're just going to click on Winter 2022 under courses. You'll see the Marketing 1120-012 for the course content. And you'll see how it's kind of set up, right? And you'll see that it says like here, it says, please complete these tasks first. And you'll see like, watch this video first. It's already gonna be this video right here. But I want you to watch it first. So during the class time, you'll watch that video and you'll go through it, and that should kind of give you an idea of things. And then I want you to watch this video, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the same thing. And literally what this video is it's that greeting card inside the class time where you're really saying, this is my name, this is my hobby, this is what I like doing, and that's kind of what you're going to be using in this scenario. So make sure you go through that, and then you'll see that there's this thing called Media Gallery. This is where you go to upload your said content, and it's pretty easy to do. You just click next and it'll take you through, and you can kind of look through all the content. The next space you'll see the textbook details. You might want to watch this video as I show you where you go to get your textbook content and how you go about doing that, because there's a lot of confusion. You can go in person, you can buy a loose leaf text, but there's a whole number of different options, so you might want to watch that video. And then I kind of give you guys a whole bunch of links and a bunch of content that you guys can use, as well as a link to the course backpack thing. And then as we come down, you can kind of see course communication. So this is like the email area and your grades. This gives you a detailed overview of everything that you need to kind of be doing. So again, just go through this and give it that kind of look where you're kind of looking at things going, okay, this is what happens. Then there's turn project the game, kick into here, and you'll see a whole bunch of detail. And this is the backpack game. So there's a set of different things like a strategic plan, status updates, final group report, and group presentations. Again, we're going to go through all of these in class, so try not to fret too much about it. But basically, there's a whole set of different things as well as playing the game that you're going to be doing in groups, and you'll pick the groups while you're in class time and kind of go through that. If you come down to the bottom of this long thing and you keep going, there's actually a whole section. It's like how to play the game. There's a set of 4 different things, and then what you can do is come down and you can actually see the submission spaces for where you go to submit your stuff. So you're just going to come down through here, and you can kind of see everything is there for you should you need to deal with submitting things. And that should kind of help you out a little bit. The game itself is McGraw-Hill's Practice Marketing. It's an online game that you play through a browser. So best to bring a laptop or an iPad to class. If you don't have a computer, you can borrow one from the library and bring that with you to class, or a tablet or something. Then next, you're just going to come down here and you're going to go to case studies. And case studies are another written component. They do take up a fair amount of time, but they're fun to do. And ours is based on a cannabis company. It is Higher Profits. It's a company, and you'll watch that content on YouTube through the system. And it basically tells the story of this marijuana company that was medicinal in the beginning and ends up becoming a little bit crazy, because what they do is they get into this area where they're dealing with a lot of business challenges, and how do you use marketing to help solve it? And that's what the case studies will do. So the first case study is an in-class discussion. The second case study is like you're going to do marketing research about marijuana use, which can be kind of fun. And then the last one's kind of going through all the promotional activities. And I've posted a couple of the YouTube links to the physical content so that you guys can watch that later. So again, if you do have any questions about this, like put your hand up and ask during class time, right? And then those questions can be given to you. If you kind of come down, you'll see an online learning space. This is just there if we have to pivot to online. And I'm not saying we are. I'm definitely preferring to have classes in person because it is better than online. But again, that's just there in case you want to connect. Like there's a group details there, and you'll be able to actually kick into a group, and then you'll see like all the different things. You'd see who the group members are, and you'd see all the different things. Like under collaborate, you have a collaboration space where you guys can collaborate, and you'll have all your group assignment spaces that you need to know in terms of things. So it's all kind of set up and ready to go for you. And then if you kind of come down again, you'll see that there's the course outlines here, the mock final exams here. I left the mock final exam up. It's a previous version of exam. I didn't tell you about that. There's course PowerPoints and textbook PowerPoints. Now the textbook PowerPoints will be straight from the textbook. The course PowerPoints would be any additional changes in design. Just for when we're having our discussions, I prefer to add a few extra things so you have everything at your fingertips. The next thing is if you kick into week one, and week one's going to change a little bit, but basically what would happen is we would post all the content, and then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to record lectures while we're in the class time. And so what you're going to do is you're just going to connect in here, and you can rewatch any lecture that we had during class time. And so that content will be there as well as any other content, and then any exercises that we've done during class time are down along the bottom. So anything and everything, it's all here for you to use. So just kind of make sure you kind of go everything, and it will get changed each week. And for each week, if there's any extra content, it does get posted there. So you have everything at your fingertips. So again, if there are any other questions about this, please don't hesitate to let me know. You know, at the end of the day, I am here to help you guys in class. I'm here to help you to understand sort of how courses are going to run, and really try and get you beyond just the content. Try to get you to really see what marketing is, and that it is a really dramatic and dynamic type of career. And I'm hoping some of you might actually change your minds. You know, everyone's interested in digital marketing, but they don't understand just how important those fundamental flows are with marketing, and that it's really about your consumer. So we'll really get into stuff like discussing neuroscience and marketing and neuroplasticity and all these different new things that are taking shape. And then we're also going to take a look and do a class session on video game marketing, which would be really unique. And we're going to be looking kind of at a whole number of different things. So I'm really excited about this course. I hope you are too, and I look forward to seeing you guys at the end of the semester, or at the beginning, pardon me.